Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making vector from PNG file. So you can see the image of PNG on my canvas. So first of all, we can see the three dots option on the left panel. You can select it and edit toolbar. So you can find the content aware tracing tool on this side. You can just drag and drop it in this extra tool panel like this. I already have the content aware tool, you can see, so I did not find this tool in my toolbar options. So you can press it done when you have drag this tool in your extra tools panel. So press the done button and you can make some changes. If you have the path, you can change it to shape and change also the color of your what you making, and select your tool you have just dropped the in your toolbar panel, and just you can see the edges on the border of this alphabet. So just click, single press on click in this, or you can see the edges at because it have selected, and just click and press it down like this. And again you can select this content aware tracing tool, and this time you can change its color to blue. So make the another shape just like this. It won't have the changes, so I will like this one, this method. So you can move it like down, and you can see I have created the shape, and you also see the edges, and this PNG very have low quality. So again you can select your tool and press the O button and another circle in the O. You can select both of them in the layers panel and change its color to white. And if you did not find the pathfinders tools, I already have that, so I press the U button and subtract front shape. So if you did not, you can select this one, and the layers panel you can combine shapes or subtract front shape. So you can see it will remove it, and again select this option like this and put it on the R. You can see the edges, and also E. Select both of shapes and drag it down like this, and another you can again select the tool with the O, and this method you can have both shapes. Go to layers panel and combine shapes, subtract front shape from this panel, and it makes the O, and just drag it down. So this method you can see it have very good quality. And you can also in the layers panel you can see the shapes. It have also created the shapes, and you can change whatever you want the color. I can change like this. So this method you can see have very if you like the video, like my channel,